Hey there guys, my name is Rob. Thank you for tuning into the Rob Some Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we have another PopSocket tutorial for you guys. So as requested, we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a PopSocket sticky again. And what I mean by this is, once you have a new PopSocket and put it on, once you remove it and reuse it a few times, it'll no longer be sticky. And you may think you need to go out and buy a new one just to use it, but you may not. You may want to try this trick first. So as you can see, this is a used PopSocket, and there we go. We got to zoom in. You can see there's a lot of dirt and stuff on the surface. So I took this off my phone, and then I had it off my phone for a few days, and it sat around. It fell on the floor a couple times. So you can see there's a good amount of dirt and stuff, and it is just not sticky whatsoever. See, if I try to stick to my finger, well, it does stick a little bit, but it will not stick to your phone to lift up your phone. See? It doesn't have very much sticky power at all. So there's one simple trick we're going to do this. Basically, all you need to do is clean it. So here we have a glass of warm water. You want to use as warm of water as you can handle. And what that's going to do is, firstly, we're going to remove the debris off of here, and the warm water is also going to help to renew this adhesive and give it more stickiness. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and push the phone out of the way here. We just have a glass of warm water. You can just do this under your sink, under running water, but just for the purpose of the video, to make it easier to record, I just have it in a glass. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dip it in there a little bit, and you can put the whole thing in there, it doesn't matter. You just got to make sure you dry it out. But so you just drip it in there like that, and then you're gonna kind of use your finger, and this is easier under a running sink, but so normally if you're doing it in the sink, just have the water running over and just kind of use your thumb and just kind of, you know, rub some of that dirt and stuff off of there, and just do this for a good 30 to 60 seconds until you obviously want to see all the dirt off. And once you get all the dirt and stuff off, you're pretty much good to go on this step. So we're pretty much there already. The warm water really helps. Cold water you can probably do it with, but I do recommend warm to hot water. Make sure you're not using so hot of a water that you burn yourself. Make sure you're careful. Have a parent's help if you are underage and not sure. But there we go. As you can see there, it is now clear of all the debris that we had on there. If I can get it to focus. Let's see, give me 1 second. I can get this to focus. Just like so. Now, like this stuff over here is just bubbling underneath the adhesive. That's not dirt, so that's okay. So, and then you can also see all the dirt in the water here. You can see it all floating around in there. So once you're at this step, just want to shake off any excess water. And then once you're done with this step, you just basically have to let this dry. You can use like a hair dryer or something, or some form of heat, but you don't want to use too high of heat. I recommend just letting it air dry for 30 to 60 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. Do not use a paper towel on there, because if you use a paper towel, it's going to leave lint on the surface, and it'll act just like some of the debris did in preventing it from sticking. So we're going to go ahead and let this dry for 30 minutes, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, so now that it's been 30 minutes here and this is nice and dry, there are no signs of water or moisture, we are basically good to go ahead and reinstall our PopSocket. So just like normal, all you're gonna do, just put it on your phone wherever you want it, give it a firm press, and voila, good as new. It actually sticks. It's not coming off. Almost as good as new. If this helped you out, guys, please be sure to smack the thumbs up button. It helps me out a ton. Please hit the subscribe. We just passed 2,600 subscribers. That is so crazy. We are on our way to 5,000, but I need your guys' help. On screen, you can go ahead and click the playlist or the video to view my other PopSocket videos, or you can go onto my channel to view any of my other videos. As always, guys, I hope you learned something today. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, I will see you later.